All right, everyone, here we are at 15901 Stevens Street here in Delhi, California. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. It's right off the freeway here, right next to the 76. You can see on right next there. It's got a nice big front yard and backyard as well. Let's go check it out inside. So right when you walk in here, you kind of have like this entryway, kind of enclosed patio. Right when you walk in, you got the 2 fans here. You got a bunch of windows, which is nice during the summertime. You have a bunch of sunlight coming in. That way, we'll go through that way here in a second. That's where one of the bedrooms is. But right here, we'll check out this living room area. Nice and spacious. You got the remote control fan there. That remote there on the wall goes there. You got the built-in cabinets in the wall. And so yeah, so let's go check out this first room here to my right. So you got this 1 bedroom right here. You got the windows. You also have closet right here. There's that. This, I think every room here does have the remote controlled fans. That's always nice. So down the hallway here, to my right, we do have a pantry in the hall. That's always nice, you know, for toiletries, towels, etc. Right here to my right, we have the bedroom or the bathroom. My apologies. The bathroom. You got the sink, you got the toilet, and you also can't forget about the shower here. You can see it from this angle. All right. Check out this way. There's a kitchen. I'll show you that here in a second. Here's the other bedroom, the second bedroom here. This one actually doesn't have a remote in the fan. That one's just, you know, like a normal fan there. You got a bunch of windows. Every single room actually does have at least one window that, you know, locks and opens, and you can get a nice breeze coming through here. And you kind of have like a dual, I guess you could say, closet here. There's a closet there you can use, and then a closet here you can hang up, you know, your clothes or put in some storage bins or whatever you need to use there in the closet. So that's always nice to have. So we'll check out here in the kitchen. This is the nice kitchen here. You got the pantry over there. You got the kitchen. You got the oven that comes with the unit as well. And then you got this outside area here, maybe like the back. This would be like the laundry room. You got the washer dryer hookup right there. You got the windows all around. You got the kitchen or the pantry right here. And then that door is sealed off because that's the other room's closet. So just keep that in mind. Let's go check it out outside real quick. The backyard here. This is the backyard. You can also use this as the front access point. So that's not going to be included with the unit, but this smaller one, this smaller storage shed is going to be allowed to be used by you as a tenant. It's nice, you know, you can put some extra storage in there, you know, for the Christmas time or holiday season, you know, you can store your stuff away or whatever you see fit to put in there. So yeah, we'll go check out the side of the home here. Kind of what would be yours, access and entryway. This is kind of like the overall around the house. This is the outside of the house here. This is like the driveway here. There's a gate right here. So this would kind of be like your driveway coming up, and then, you know, you could swing back around here and park right over here by your storage shed. A lot of, you know, people would probably guess use that back door as the front door entryway, considering that there's no really access point to the front door that way. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, this is 15901 Stevens Street here in Delhi, California. If you guys are interested, you can check this out on our direct website, which is newbridgemanagement.com.